Are properties that are purchased by cryptocurrencies, that are purchased with cryptocurrencies, applicable for citizenship?
No.
If not, why?
According to Turkish law,
Is it not recognized by the Turkish government?
it is not yet.
Do you think exchanging Bitcoin for a home in Turkey is a good idea?
Okay, I will tell you something. It depends when you purchase this Bitcoin.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Straight Talk. This is going to be a follow-up episode of our last episode with Nazrin, and that was about the money transfer in Turkey when you're buying real estate, money transfer from foreign countries, and we have got so many questions there. Yeah,
Yes.
and thank you very much for that, for doing that episode. That was
Thank
very
you.
informative. Our follower base really liked the video, but we have received many more questions.
True.
And now it is time for us to, in this video, cover all of those questions. Now, I'm not going to be able to name this video, base it on one specific topic, but rather it is going to be a series of topics. But when we look at the questions that are coming now, cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, that's the kind of
that's
comments that
High
keeps
top
popping
topics.
up. So then the question comes down to, are there any developers in Turkey who accept cryptocurrencies as a payment?
Yes, it's all depend on the negotiations.
Whether or not the construction company really has a Bitcoin account or not, right?
Yes.
Are you recommending Bitcoin as an investment, what you might call that, means when it comes to buying real estate? Because here's the thing, the number one problem with the Turkish real estate is that when people buy homes here, their gains really depend on, the Turkish lira,
True.
especially for the short term.
True.
If the Turkish lira is performing
Yes.
well, their investments are performing well. If the Turkish lira is going down and down and down, then their investments obviously going down. Now, do you think exchanging Bitcoin for a home in Turkey is a good idea?
Okay, I will tell you something. It depends when you purchase this Bitcoin. Let's say you purchased 2013. Yes, you can change because you already gain a lot of money and you can purchase property. You can use these Bitcoins. However, today's rate, it's almost the same rate that you are purchasing a dollar. So $30,000 one Bitcoin. So let's say after 6 months later, if it will be $35,000, I can recommend you. However, if it goes down, if it's let's say drip. So what happened?
Yeah.
So there's no we cannot say I'm 100% recommending you to go with Bitcoin because those rates are always the same. For example, always when I speak with my clients, I always recommend them to purchase property in Turkish lira because you are buying in Turkey.
Mm-hmm.
So our currency rate is Turkish lira. Our currency rate is not dollars, not euros.
Mm-hmm.
So of course, during their purchase, they can send according to the Turkish government rate of the currency rate, which is, I don't know, maybe today's rate is 7.11, so they can send today's rate. However, it will gonna go to 6.9, so they can gain again money in terms of the Turkish lira rate. And in Turkey, the profit is already gaining by the Turkish lira. So my main always advice for our clients to purchase property in Turkish lira. Not in dollars, not in euros.
Okay.
Because when they're gonna purchase in euros and dollar, they always expect income the profit in dollars and euros rate.
Yeah.
But when they're gonna purchase a Turkish lira, which is a realistic one, so the income,
their income is going to
the
depend
profit
on
will
that.
be in Turkish lira.
But let's talk about this a little bit. Are properties that are purchased by cryptocurrencies, that are purchased with cryptocurrencies, applicable for citizenship?
No.
If not, why?
According to Turkish law, while you apply for citizenship application, you have sent from your specific account, from your IBAN number, from the construction company, and you have to give the receipt. In the cryptocurrencies, it's not applicable because you are sending to some other like the.
Is it not recognized by the Turkish government?
It is not yet. It's not developed
Mhm.
that yet because it's digital marketing, it's digital currency rate. So we have to look all like the banks. They are mainly restricted on it. They put their restrictions, so that's why you cannot put your money by the cryptocurrency and
Mhm.
get obtain a Turkish citizenship.
Okay. Isn't there another way? Which means, I mean, we talked about this, right? Say that in Garanti Bank,
Mm-hmm.
in one of the biggest banks in Turkey, I can open myself a Bitcoin account
Yeah.
and deposit my Bitcoins into that account, and I can convert it to any other currency and buy the property that way and apply for citizenship. Wouldn't this work?
No, because right now I told you banks are putting restrictions on it. So you can open an account of the cryptocurrency. However, it also takes a lot of time. It also takes a lot of documentary. You have to be a resident in Turkey in order to open a cryptocurrency account
Oh,
in
so
Turkey.
you have to be a resident in
yes,
Turkey.
as well.
Oh, so you cannot be a foreign
No.
person.
As a foreign nationality in Turkey, you can hardly get a cryptocurrency account in Turkey.
Is it possible or not?
It is very hard. It's not possible. I cannot say that it's not possible, but the thing is, it's so hard to open. Like they will gonna ask a lot of documents. Imagine, as a foreign nationality, you cannot open a bank account in Garanti Bank. There's a specific banks and branch opening a bank account for foreign nationalities.
Al Baraka Turkey is
Al Baraka, Kuwait Turk, Ziraat Bank.
okay. So I mean, to just to sum up and be done with this cryptocurrencies, what would you recommend people who have farmed all of those bitcoins in their accounts and they have good enough bitcoins in their account and they want to invest that money to Turkey? What would you recommend them to do?
The easiest way to sell in this country, which they obtain bitcoins, they can sell in the bank account, in their bank account, and they can transfer to here to their bank account in Turkey, and they can purchase a property. It's also the same.
And that way they can apply for
Of
citizenship.
course.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So thank you very much for this crypto part, and I hope the audience have got some information regarding the cryptocurrencies. Again, we're not experts about it, especially not me. Nazrin definitely knows more about it
Yeah.
than I do. But right now we talked about the cryptocurrencies in the Turkish real estate. When you're buying home, how does it translate and what's the terms and how do they apply? Now, let me ask you another question on another thing.
Okay.
Again, on the last video, we've received a lot of questions about income tax in Turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Is there an income tax in Turkey? If yes, does that apply to Turkish residence permit holders? If yes, what are the rates and when does it apply to?
Okay. In Turkey, there is no income tax unless if you're gonna purchase property and give to your property to rent. Like let's say you purchase property, you rented out your property. You already give the notification to government in the municipality that you give it to rent because you have a contract, rent contract, and you go to municipality, so you become a income tax. You have to pay an income tax to the government. It's 22%.
It's 22%.
Yeah. However, if you open a bank account, put your money into the bank account, you are not able to pay income tax to the government.
Sure. It's like, let's say that I have a tenant inside one of my properties and the tenant pays the money directly to my bank account.
Yes.
In that case, the rental income tax is not applicable.
You
Is that what
have
you're saying?
you have only rental income tax, which is deducting 22%, or in a year 2 times you have to pay. Government gives you a number so that then you can transfer these fees. However, when you put just your money into the account, bank account,
Nobody questions that.
nobody questions that.
Okay. So in order for you to be, in order for the income tax to be applicable to you, you have to receive that money to your bank account under the name
Of the rent.
rental income.
Yes.
And that is
Applicable
taxable 22%.
Yes.
Is it out of a year or is it every month?
It's out of the year. Two
Okay.
times out of the year. So you
Two times out of the
in
year?
an annual. Let's say every 6 months, there's a specific date that you have to pay income tax.
Out of the monthly amount that I receive?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I can easily ask you this question.
Okay.
Are you paying income tax if you have a bank account in Turkey and you put your money into the bank account?
No. I've never come across such a tax
Okay.
in my own life. I don't know the system.
So it's
to be
an
honest.
easy answer.
Yeah.
As a
The easier
Turkish
answer is, yeah. I mean,
national.
I'm a Turkish national. I was born and grew up here. And whenever I receive, money or payment to my bank account, we don't pay any taxes. I don't really know about the system.
So international foreign nationalities as well,
Yeah.
they don't pay income tax then.
They don't pay an income tax. That's an interesting one. A lot of people think that people pay income taxes. When do people pay income taxes? Like, for example, let me ask you another question. Let's say that I am, working. I have a company or something, and I'm receiving money.
All right.
I'm receiving payment.
Yes.
And do I need to be taxed on that?
Yes.
Based on what?
Based on the money that you earned. Look, when you have a company, you are invoicing. So you are sending an invoices, you are taking a money, there's a VAT, 18%, you are deducting it every month, you are paying 18% a VAT, and later on you have an employee, you are paying salaries and etc. All of these are costs.
Of course.
So governments, every month, we are sending to the government that this is our cost, we earn this, we already pay this amount. So the government, according to government, they are checking. There's the experts they are checking. So every 3 months, the government send us a report. Okay, let's say Property Turkey, you already did 500,000 Turkish lira profit. So 22% you have to pay me. So we, as a Property Turkey company, we are paying 22% to our government.
Companies pay that, but individuals?
No, companies are paying.
Okay,
not
let's say that
individuals.
Property Turkey, me as a partner of Property Turkey, let's say that Property Turkey has made 1 million TL, Turkish liras of a profit, and out of that, the tax is paid. So that money, when I receive it to my account, as the partner of a company, let's say I receive 20%,
You not.
it's not taxable
No.
because that money has already been taxed.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Cool. All right, let me ask you my final question.
All right.
Foreigners are asking us, is it possible for them to open up bank accounts in Turkey and, open up, get tax registration numbers and etc. via a power of attorney with the lawyer?
My answer, as before, is yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Well, I know. I know that we do that, but just people
Yeah.
are asking it, and
Okay.
I just wanted to just touch on that. And let me actually give this answer. Look, with the power of attorney, we can do anything and everything remotely. You don't even need to be in Turkey. That we can take care of every single thing, including the citizenship program. In fact, we have clients who have never, ever, ever been to Turkey ever in their lives, and they got their properties. Forget
they
about opening
already
up the
get their
bank account and everything.
citizenship.
They got the citizenship. They reclaimed it, and now they're Turkish citizens. Never have been to Turkey before. So this entire process is very doable, and we as Property Turkey do it for you.
By the way, there's another question already. People ask for: can we open a currency rate account in Turkey? Yes, we can open USD. We can open Euro, Great
Oh, yeah, of
Britain
course.
pounds in Turkey. Main currency tool is Turkish lira. If you get a bank credit card or from the bank bank card, you can only use Turkish lira.
Yeah.
You cannot deduct it from the euro or from dollars.
The transactions are made in
But
Turkish
you
lira.
can, yes, transaction will be in Turkish lira. No, you can do online transactions, or you can go to bank. You can do the transactions.
They will
euro
withdraw
and
from your
euro.
dollar account, but the Turkish lira.
Yeah,
will
let's
be
say when you
converted.
go to shopping, and you have a card from Ziraat, you only it's only deducting from your Turkish lira account.
Oh, it's not. You cannot
It's not-
deduct from your
no,
dollar account.
So for that reason, you have to change euro or dollars to Turkish lira
To be able to
to
spend
be
it
able
in
to
Turkey.
spend money in Turkey.
Okay, good. Nazrin, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for this episode. It has been a little long episode, but we had to cover that. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video with this WhatsApp number. You can reach us. And also, if you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to comment them down below. As you can see, we read those comments and we bring it on this table and we discuss it. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.
See you.